everyone! Welcome to Garden Decor Designs, where we transform ordinary outdoor spaces into extraordinary havens. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of an outdoor space that offers tranquility, style, and a low-maintenance lifestyle? Then you're in the right place. Today we are unlocking the secrets of the modern Japanese Zen garden, a design philosophy that effortlessly blends ancient wisdom with sleek, contemporary aesthetics. Get ready to turn your backyard into a minimalist masterpiece. To understand the modern Zen garden, we first look to its roots, the karasansui, or dry landscape gardens of Japan. Traditionally, these gardens were places for silent meditation, using meticulously raked gravel to represent water, and stones to represent islands, mountains, or creatures. They are highly symbolic, abstract representations of natural scenes. The modern Japanese Zen garden, however, takes this philosophy and updates it for the 21st century. It keeps the core principles, minimalism, asymmetry, and the use of natural elements like rock, gravel, and moss, but it introduces contemporary materials like concrete, glass, and steel, often integrating them with modern home architecture. The key difference is a shift toward cleaner lines, less dense planting, and a focus on texture and negative space. It's about creating an atmosphere of calm that complements a modern lifestyle, rather than strictly adhering to ancient religious symbolism. It's a place for reflection, not just raking. Beyond its striking aesthetic, a modern Zen garden offers profound benefits. Firstly, it's a powerful tool for stress reduction and mindfulness. The simple, uncluttered design instantly encourages the mind to slow down and focus on the natural elements, the textures of the stone, the patterns in the gravel, or the gentle movement of a single tree. Secondly, these gardens are inherently low maintenance. By design, they rely on rocks, gravel, and carefully chosen, slow-growing plants like moss and dwarf conifers, minimizing the need for constant watering, mowing, and weeding. Finally, a Zen garden instantly elevates the value and style of your home. It provides a unique, sophisticated, and calming extension of your living space, making your property stand out as a true sanctuary. Decorating a beautiful modern Zen garden relies on mastering a few core principles. You need to focus on asymmetry and balance. Nothing should be perfectly symmetrical. Instead, arrange elements in odd numbers like the rule of 3 to create a dynamic but balanced look. Contrast is crucial. This is the secret to the modern part of the design. Use smooth concrete pavers against rough gray river pebbles, or sharp dark stones against bright white gravel. Think about sculptural planting. Instead of mass planting, choose one or two beautifully shaped specimens, like a bonsai-style pine or a clump of bamboo, to act as living sculptures. Finally, incorporate subtle lighting like the uplighting in our first example, to emphasize texture and drama once the sun sets, transforming the garden into an evening masterpiece. If you're ready to start building, here are the essential items you need for a stunning modern Zen garden. First, fine gravel or crushed granite, typically white, light gray, or tan, used to represent water or empty space. Second, irregular, large accent rocks or seiki, dark, imposing, or uniquely shaped stones used as focal points or islands. Third, stepping stones or tobiishi, flat, natural, or modern concrete pavers to create a path of travel across the gravel. Fourth, moss, used as a lush ground cover to symbolize ancient forest floor or landmass, often in stark contrast to gravel. Fifth, stone lanterns or toro, traditional decorative lanterns, often in a simple geometric style, used for ambient lighting and focal interest. Sixth, dwarf conifers or Japanese maples, sculptural, slow-growing plants that provide structure and year-round interest. Seventh, modern materials, concrete pavers, steel edging, and simple wooden fences or slats for a contemporary boundary. Now let's dive into the inspiration. Here are our top 10 best modern Japanese Zen garden ideas, proving that tranquility can meet 21st century style. 1. Rustic path and pond oasis. This design blends the serenity of a Japanese garden with a slightly wilder, rustic feel. Smooth, natural stepping stones traverse the light gravel, leading toward a small, tranquil water feature and a classic stone lantern toro, all nestled within lush, varied greenery for a softer look. 2. Classic raked gravel sanctuary. This garden embodies the classic karasansui or dry landscape style, featuring meticulously raked white gravel representing water ripples. Dark, imposing rocks are strategically placed as islands, offering a stunning contrast to the wooden deck, creating a seamless transition from the built environment to the meditative landscape. 3. Minimalist Karasansui entrance. A sleek modern take on the traditional dry landscape, featuring a crisp white gravel bed and striking, dark, sculptural rocks. The design integrates seamlessly with the contemporary architecture, using uplighting to create dramatic shadows and highlight the texture of the stone wall and wooden gate. This is Zen meets high design. 4. Contemporary pebble path and spheres. A highly modern interpretation, prioritizing symmetry and texture. The dark gray river stones provide a rich contrast to the light concrete stepping pads and the eye-catching white granite spheres. This design focuses on strong lines, minimal planting, and sculptural elements for a clean architectural look. 5. Abstract moss and minimalism. An avant-garde Zen design set against ultramodern architecture. The vibrant green moss is used in abstract, flowing shapes that contrast sharply with the pure white gravel, simulating water or a stream. The minimalist planting, featuring a graceful bamboo clump, enhances the feeling of spaciousness and tranquility. 6. Sculptural moss and ancient pine. A powerful minimalist design dominated by a large, expertly shaped pine tree over a sculpted mound of lush, vibrant moss. The contrasting texture of the smooth, light gravel ground plane and the massive dark stepping stones emphasizes the tranquility and scale of this sophisticated, contemplative space. 7. Serene side yard water and stone. An excellent example of utilizing a narrow side yard, creating a sense of movement with a winding path of light gravel and round stepping stones. A miniature stone bridge crosses a stream of dark river stones, punctuated by a traditional stone lantern and layers of meticulously pruned shrubs and small trees. 8. Autumnal Zen stream and bridge. A vibrant design using deep greens and the rich reds of a Japanese maple. It features a stunning water feature or dry bed of dark, glossy black river stones, crossed by a simple stone slab bridge. Two styles of traditional stone lanterns anchor the scene, set against a backdrop of undulating moss. 9. Indoor atrium Zen retreat. This design brings the Zen garden indoors, utilizing a contrasting palette. A warm, sandy-colored gravel path winds through dark, rich soil or black mulch, surrounded by textural plantings and large, flat stepping stones. It serves as a beautiful, living focal point visible through expansive glass walls. 10. Intimate and detailed cottage Zen. Perfect for smaller spaces, this garden is dense with detail and charm. It features a miniature pond, a wooden bridge, a cozy Japanese-style structure, and numerous small stone lanterns. The lush, ground-cover moss and structured plantings create a rich, layered, and deeply personal meditative space. The beauty of the modern Japanese Zen garden lies in its philosophy. Less is more. It's an art form that teaches us to find complexity and profound beauty in simplicity. By adopting these design principles, focusing on texture, contrast, asymmetry, and negative space, you can transform any corner of your property, no matter the size, into a personal modern sanctuary. It's an investment in your home, and more importantly, an investment in your peace of mind. Which of these 10 designs inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful in planning your own tranquil space, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more inspiring landscape ideas, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!